Then between India and East Asia, navigation time. So this is more an example of transport section. Deepening the oceanography section, deepening the Malacca Straits. You know the Malacca Straits between the Malaysia and Indonesia. It's an important trade route. I'll be showing the map also. Then opening a new canal across the Kra Isthmus. So this is a much debated section. So isthmus is basically, if you go by the definition, it's a narrow strip of land which connects two larger land masses. And deepening the Malacca Straits is not the option because we need the widening. If we already deepen it, if a ship is moving like this, and we just deepen it instead of broadening it, so it will not influence the movement of the ship. It will still not be able to contain or allow the movement of a greater number of ships. So we have to not deepen it but broaden it. So this becomes wrong and this becomes right. So this two only. So here you can see the Kra Isthmus. This is the Strait of Malacca, and this is the Kra Isthmus between the which connects the Thailand, this Myanmar, Thailand, and with the bottom part, Myanmar and Thailand. Okay, so this is the explanation. The Brahmaputra, Irrawady and Mekong rivers originate in Tibet. Just you can read the statement, makes a U-turn. This U-turn again is due to uplift of folded Himalayan syntaxial bend. If you have heard the syntaxial bend, so there is the uplift of Himalayas has taken place. Here, if you see in the western extremity of the Himalayas, there is a peak known as Nanga Parvat in Pak-occupied Kashmir, and here there is the Namcha Barwa. So these are the extremities. I'm not going to go into the evolution of the Himalayas, but these are the major factors. So the answer is A and B. Geotectonic disturbance in the tertiary fold mountain chains. This is basically not exactly answering this question. So you have to ignore this. So I have written the explanation also. So this is basically the western part. This whole is the Himalaya, and this is the Himalaya Hindu Kush and the Siam Altai mountains. All are there.